Welcome back, and thanks for tuning into Freeze POV.
All right, we're back at it again. We're in Miami, Florida, and this is Tyreek Hill, and he's been pulled over by the Miami police. The bike cops, man, they could be something else. They've really treated me badly, too. Let's see how it goes.
Hey, keep your window down. Hey, keep your window down. Keep your window down. I'm gonna get you out of the car. As a matter of fact, get out of the car. Give me that. Get out of the car. Give me that. Break that freaking window. Get out of the car. Get out of the car right now. We're not playing this game. Get out. 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 What part of law don't you understand? Hey, Drew, I'm getting arrested, Drew. I'm getting arrested. I'm getting arrested, Drew. I'm getting out, bro. God damn, twin. When we tell you to do something, you do it. You understand?
I'm getting out,
you understand? Not what you want, but what we tell you. You're a little confused.
I'm getting out, bro.
Too late.
Chill,
Too late.
All right, bro. Take me to jail, bro. Do what you gotta do, bro.
We are. We will.
Good, bro.
It is good.
Hey, Drew, hey.
Don't worry about it. I hung up the phone. You stop crying.
Bro, y'all.
Don't move.
Good. Bro, you beating on my window like you crazy.
You set him up?
Why y'all beating on my window like y'all crazy for? Damn, yo, bro. Bro, dude beating on my window like he crazy. I ain't do nothing, twin. Damn.
Hey, don't park there. Don't park there.
Hey. Hold on, bro. I just had surgery on my knee. bro. I just had surgery on my knee, bro.
I just had surgery in your ears when we come there. Put your window down.
Chill, bro. Hey, Joe New, bro.
Back up.
Hey, call Drew. Hey, call Drew, bro. Hey, call Drew, bro. Hey, what? Hey, call Drew, bro. Just call Drew. Hey.
I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing nothing. What am I doing that's wrong?
Hey, listen.
Take it back in the Hey, listen. Hey, man, they got Tyreek. The cops over here beating on him, man. They over here beating on Tyreek,
Listen, big man. Don't park there, man. Just get in the
Hey,
car.
Drew, you gotta come, man.
Just get in the car.
Right up the side, on the side of the,
Hey, get in the car. You're parked in the middle of the street.
I'm in the car.
You gotta go before you get a ticket.
Hey, you're in the car.
Who's the driver? This is my car. All right, move. All right, I'll take that. You gotta move right now. Let me have your license. You're gonna have to ticket too. I'm coming. Let me have your license. You're gonna have ticket. Let me have your license. I'm leaving. I'm not playing. Let me have your license. Your license right now. Your license.
Get in the car and leave.
You're not gonna give me your license. I'm leaving. Let me have your license. Your license right now. Hey, your license right now. I'm leaving. Or I'm gonna lock you up. Your license right now. He just told me to. Your license right now. You're dealing with me now. Your license right now.
Damn, these are some of the pushiest, most aggressive cops I've ever seen. What about y'all? Let me know.
Which man going, man? My license in my bag. Let me get my bag. Go get your license. Let me get my bag. Close that door. Yo, Drew.
Let me stand them up so I can take off this.
I'm going home. Send me up. I'm going home, bro. Fuck ass cop, bro.
Come over here. Don't fall off the sidewalk.
No, bro. Then this dude here was like, man, I'm already rich. I don't even come on, bro.
Open your legs.
You see what he said? Open your legs.
Just let them lean forward a little.
Just go with it. Just go with it. You right. Appreciate it. Hey.
Hold on, man.
Thank you.
Hold on.
Appreciate it, bro.
Hold on.
Thank you, guys. You okay? Nah, I'm not, bro.
I'm finna go home, bro. These cops.
For a second. Go pictures. Okay. Take a picture of that officer too. Don't worry, it will be. It's all gonna be done. That's all I need. Do me a favor, just let me get a picture. Hold on, let me talk to my mom real quick.
All right, well, there you have it. The cops are apologetic. They let him go. I don't know what the big fuss was over exactly, but, well, all the teammates and the Tyreek Hill dude and his manager are saying that the cops should get fired over it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I'm not sure what happened. Let me know.